Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word girt in depth. First, the definition. Girt means encircled or surrounded. Think of it simply as something completely wrapped around, like a belt or fence. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Girt traces back to Old English girdan, meaning to gird or encircle, dating back to the 12th century. Over time, it's been used by medieval writers and historians. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use girt in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The castle was girt by a deep moat to protect it from invaders. Correct example 2. The tiny island was girt by turquoise waters and coral reefs. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to girt my sandwich, but it fell apart. See how context makes a big difference? Using girt correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Girt means encircled or surrounded. It comes from Old English girden, meaning to gird or encircle, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with girt down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.